Police are national assets, killing them is an attack on the state, Bheki Cele. 2 police officers were murdered on Thursday, one in the Free State and another in the Western Cape. In Koffiefontein, Free State, Const Vuyani March 27, was shot dead. His partner is recovering in hospital. 2 police officers in Philippi East, Cape Town, were investigating a tip-off about an illegal gun at a shack in the Siangina informal settlement when they were attacked. Police Minister Bheki Cele condemned the murders. Attacking a member of the police is an attack on the state. Safety of our men and women in blue remains high on the agenda of the police and is at the heart of the police's strategic imperatives to ensure the safety of our members. Police members are a national asset and they need to be protected by all of us, including members of the community.